Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have a very special unboxing for you guys. I have found 4 of these Sun Country 737-800s by Gemini Jets Models in the Tide Pod liveries off the Scale Model Store. They are based in the UK. I saw 4 remaining on the website, and you know what? I just went for it. Unfortunately, the tariffs did not affect this, and I was kind of wondering when they were going to be arriving, and they finally arrived about, I think, like 3 weeks later, so not too bad. I know these are really rare right now. You can't really get these anywhere. I'm very fortunate to have found 4 of these for about $40 each. So yeah, pretty much like new price. People are selling these things for over $100 on eBay. So I was like, you know what? This is a pretty good find. So let's get this open and take a look. Actually, it'll be just going right on my Minneapolis Terminal 2. We're pretty much the home of Sun Country here. So let's get them unboxed, guys. All right, guys, coming out of the box here, brand new 737-800. Never owned by anybody else before. Check this out. I love the lake livery on this. I grew up in Minnesota on the lakes. Oh, looks like we're missing a nose wheel. But anyways, I'm not going to let that affect me right now. Look at this beautiful livery, guys. The lakes right there. Hold on. Well, guys, I take that back. The nose wheel is nowhere to be found. I'll let you guys know if it does turn up. But anyways, let me set this down nicely. Beautiful livery, though. Honestly, guys, I'm still impressed. If we don't find the nose gear, then we can do something else with this model, but pretty cool. Pretty cool livery here indeed. Let's just get another one open. All right, guys, round 2. Yes, these are brand new from Scale Model Store, UK, so okay, this one's got a nose wheel. It looked like it was kind of magnetized in there, though. So, I don't know. Really don't know, guys. Beautiful livery, though. I love this livery on the 737. Let's take a look here. Let's get the light. Look at that, guys. Just very impressive, indeed. Sun Country 737-800, guys. The 40 years of flight livery. Pretty much say all of them have this livery on them nowadays. I guess I have it in this mode. But yeah, super cool, guys. Check it out. All right, we got to change a different mode on this thing. Wow, absolutely impressive, guys. Highly recommend this for your model airport, guys. I do have a scale version of Minneapolis Terminal 2. Pretty much the home of Sun Country Airlines here, so these will be flying in and out daily. So I'll show you guys it on the layout here. Well, that's disappointing. Landing gear on the second one too is still there, but it kind of wobbled out a little bit. I guess we'll just have to re-glue some of these guys. Sun Country, you know, I don't know why they never do a good job just on the Sun Country models. If you guys have ever had a landing gear missing on a Gemini Jets model, let me know, please. Let me know. These are 23 releases too, guys. Come on. All right, let's get this open and hopefully everything's intact. Now, I am thankful that I was able to even like get these models because I know they're pretty rare, so. Okay, everything looks okay to me. Looks pretty good so far. Figured, okay, we're gonna have 2 like good ones, and then we're gonna have the other 2 are gonna be like, just like something's gotta be wrong with them. Of course, right? Alright, guys. Alright, guys, and the third one. Yay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, landing gear's off. And, you know, I've gotten used to repairing these with glue, so I'm not I'm not too worried about it. Unfortunately, because I've had to repair these too many times. Looks like the landing gear is in there, which is great because we can just glue that back in. Obviously, something we shouldn't have to go through here as collectors. I get it. They made it from Europe. I'm honestly just happy to even have these models. Not about to deal with Scale Model Store and all that. So, I'm just happy to have these, like I said. So, this will just go to the repair shop. We'll glue this back on. For now, I think I can just slide these all in together and put it on the layout here. Just watch. All right, here you guys go. Sun Country 737-800s in the Tide Pod liveries at MSP Airport, yes, we got to fix that nose wheel. Looks kind of silly, I agree. We managed to get the wing and the landing gear back on this one. And here's the other Tide Pods. So we got about 2 solid Tide Pods aircrafts here. Sun Country Airlines 737-800s. And we got about 2 that need some fixing, but I think, I guess, I know it's unfortunate, but I'm used to it, so we're just gonna fix it up and it'll be good as new. So shout out to Hangar 505 for this amazing layout here, guys. I'll be putting the terminal on it tonight, so stay tuned, guys, for that. Shout out Clipper Models for the amazing parking garage here, guys. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of Sun Country Tide Pod liveries, 737-800s. More to come soon. I do have a few other ones from JH Wings and G Models to unbox here tonight too, so stay tuned for that. I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting from Model Airport Nation to you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Also Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, on Model Airport Nation. Thank you, and happy flying.